Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're working on our Pikachu, we're on his tail. And last time we finished up with round 9. We have this nice little pocket going on here, right? Okay, so we want to get ourselves going again. I'm going to place my marker and we're going to start with round 10. All right, round 10 we're going to do 4 single crochets. So we're going to enter our first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Go into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Third stitch, there's a nice single crochet, and fourth stitch. All right, that's 4 single crochets. All right, we're going to skip 20 stitches. And then we're going to crochet 1 single crochet on the 21st stitch. So that's interesting, right? Something new and different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20. Let's see, which should make sense. We've done 4 and there's 4 remaining. Okay, so on the 21st stitch, right here we are. Okay, well, I think I need I need to move this on the other side, I'm sorry. Had myself a little twisted. Okay, well that would have worked fine, I guess. Anyway, so we're gonna enter the 21st stitch and we're gonna give it 1 single crochet. So I know that sounds a little bit weird to everybody, but we're gonna enter that stitch and we're going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, kind of turn your work so you're going the right direction now here, okay? Whew, all right, that's it. That's row 10. Oh no, I'm sorry. We have 3 more single crochets. I'm going crazy here. 3 more. That's right, we had 3 more stitches there. Oh boy, 1. Go into your next stitch, 2. I forgot we had these here still. Oh dear. I was getting all excited. I'm like, oh, yeah, we're all done. Check that one off. No, not so fast, right? Not so fast. Oop, I don't think I got that whole stitch there. Hang on. Okay, this is number 2 for me. Oh, I was excited. Thought, wow, that's the fastest round yet. Okay, so there we go. Now we have 8 stitches. 8 whole stitches there. Woo, look at that. Okay, so that's 8 stitches. Now we're going to do 8 single crochets. So we're going to go around the whole thing. And it's just how his tail is. It's weird, but it's just the way his little tail is. So we got to make it the right way. Now it's going to be floppy. It's going to be a little weird. I got to put a marker in, So let's go into this next stitch. And we need the whole stitch. Come on. I wish I could like stick something in there. There we go. Hold it open. Woo! Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Okay. Go in the next stitch. So that was 1. This is 2. And we're just single crocheting them. 3. It's just that they're a little different, right? 3 and 4 is right here. Come on around. See it there? 5, 6, 7. Hang on. Nope. This one's going to be, I just got to look at this. Hang on 1 second. I think this is going to be 5, 6, 7, and 8 because that's where we began. That's our little crossover there. Wow. This is interesting. I like this. This is kind of cool. 5, 6, 7. It is an odd shape, so I guess we got to kind of make it somehow. This is 7, and I have one. That was 7. 7. I hope you're doing better at this than I am here. This is really, I'm having troubles, and I think it's just because it's small. It's all. Small and a little bit awkward. All right, there's 8. Did you get 8? Hopefully you got 8. Okay, take out your marker. Okay, that's the end of 11, so take out your marker. So we are in the round here, and we are moving along. So we're going to go on to 12, and we're going to do 8 single crochets again in round 12. So let's see, this is 1, 2, and 3, and go to have 8. Here we go. Okay, that's number 8 for me, and right where we are here for round 12, we did 8 single crochet, and now we're going to chain 9. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go all the way to 9. Okay, this is number 9. That's chain 9. I've moved up my marker here, and we're going to secure this chain of 9 to the next stitch with a single crochet. Okay, so there we go. We have a single crochet right there, and now we're going to move on. So for round 12, that gives us 17 stitches. So there was 8 single crochets and then 9 chain. Okay, so that's 17. So just so you know what numbers we're working with here. And we've just done the first stitch now of round 13. And now we're going to do 7 single crochets. So that was its first stitch, so we have 7 left, right? So we're going to do 7 single crochets here for round 13. So there's 1, this is 2, okay? Just going around, 3, 4, just go all the way around till you get back to your chain, okay? Here we go. Okay, that is 7 right there, plus the 1 for the join gives us 8, and now we're at our chain, and we're going to do 9 single crochets in our chain spaces here. So if you look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, did I miss one? Oh, at the very beginning right here. Okay, so 1, go into your first one right there. We want to do 9 of these, okay? And they're chains, so they're floppy, but they're all going to be single crochets, okay? Going into the chain. Try not to twist it too much if you can, okay? I know that's easier said than done because this is floppiness. Floppiness at its best, right? Oh, 3. This is 4. And they're all single crochets, okay? 5, go all the way to 9. Okay, this is number 9, and this is what we've got. This is what it looks like. I know it's a little weird, but it's right. It's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so that is the end of 13. So we're gonna do 14 and 15 just because all it is single crochet these 17 stitches, okay? So we're just going to go around and count out. Just make sure you've got 17 stitches on your work. So number 1 was over here because remember that's where that chain was joined in. Okay, so that's 1. You can put your marker back in if you want. 2 and 3, but count them out. Just make sure you have 17 and 4. It's a little different, but it's fun. That's 4. This is 5. Okay. 6. And it'll be easier on the chain this time because we have a single crochet on there, right? This is 7 and 8. I'm doing okay. I hope so. That's 9 and 10. Go all the way to 17. Here we go. This is 17 for me. I'm back at the very beginning. All right, so that was for 14, round 14. Looking for my little marker. We're going to do 15 also, just single crochet each stitch around for 15. I mean, that's pretty straightforward. We can do that. Let's get this done, right? All right, so let's just go around. And it's the same amount of stitches. It's still 17 stitches. We're just going to single crochet, everybody. All right. Okay. Might as well finish it up. And then after this, when we meet up next time, we're going to change to our brown. So have your brown ready to go, okay? So that means we're getting toward the end of the little tail here. I don't know. I say little. It's not that little, is it? Ooh, nice size little tail. I think this is going to look so cute on him. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited to get them all put together. We will need little pins toward the end when we get all our pieces, because we're going to want to pin it to look at everything before we sew it all on. All right, so I just think that pinning it, especially with a project with so many pieces like this, will be a lot easier because you have less chances of getting things on either the wrong direction or just the spot that you didn't want in that spot. You know what I mean? So I think it's a good idea. Okay, so trying to get myself, and yep, I'm in the right stitch. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out just so you can see. This is the end of 15. Okay, so this is how it goes. And this is the way it's supposed to go. But isn't that interesting how we did a chain and then it made it go out the side here? I like that. I think that's neat. I think it's neat how you can manipulate doing different techniques. And yeah, and now we're totally going that direction. But I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's kind of cool. Okay, so that is the end of 15. And we have 17 stitches on our work. And grab your brown. We'll meet up next time and we'll get started with 16. I'll see you then. Thank you and have a joyful day.